Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get more storage space at your iCloud. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Settings. If you can't find Settings icon on your home screen, you can swipe over to another home screen and you probably can find it at one of your home screens. If you still can't find it, just swipe down at any of your home screens to bring up search and then just start typing Settings until you find it right here at the top, and then you can get into Settings using that way. Once you did that, tap right here next to your profile picture at your name to get into Apple ID. And right here you can easily find iCloud. Just get into it. And as you can see, I got just 5 gigabytes of my iCloud storage, and most of that space is already taken by some data. So if you are running out of space on your iCloud as me, you can purchase a paid subscription. All you have to do is just hit right here at Manage Account Storage, and then just hit on Change Storage Plan. Now on that screen it shows you 3 different options. You can purchase 50 GB, 200 GB and 2 TB. I want to use the first one because I actually, at least for now, don't need more free space at my iCloud storage. So I can check mark it, or you can check mark any of that options. And after that, all you have to do is just hit right here at Upgrade to iCloud Plus. Now it says that this subscription includes 50 GB of storage space, and that's actually a monthly subscription, so that amount of money will be taken from your card each month, and you can cancel this subscription at any time in the settings, at least one day before each renewal date. And after that you can just hit at subscribe, then you have to enter your Apple ID password, and once you did that, just hit on sign in, and that's it. Now I can close it, I can move on to Settings, and now as you can see I got 50 GB of iCloud disk space, and then once you did that you can go through all of that options and you can enable backing up something. Let's say in my case photo sync is disabled. You can see that it's turned off. You can get into it if it's turned off at your device as well as at mine, and then you can just hit at this switcher next to sync this iPhone to sync all your photos and videos, all your media files to iCloud. Now right here it says syncing, so you just have to wait for some time until all the data will be backed up to the iCloud. Then you can go out of here and check other options, let's say iCloud Drive or iCloud Mail. You can always enable iCloud Sync at each of that categories. And once you did that, you can just close the settings. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I'll see you in the next one.